Most traders are still trying to do everything manually. Scan manually, build manually, backtest manually, manual. You don't need to be doing that. And if you want to get an edge in your trading, you want to get consistency, discipline, objectivity, a systematic style approach, which is what the best traders do, then you need to cut this manual stuff out. You need to spend a bit of time on your own education, and that is where Python comes in, and why Python currently is so important for, you know, the trader who wants to get ahead, who wants to be successful, who wants to nurture that edge into something long term. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few tools that you could build very quickly. Now, I've built these ones myself. I'm self-taught in Python, and I can tell you it's a lot easier than what you think it is. And later in the video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get on a course that, you know, is great value, full of skills related specifically to the world of trading, that's going to help you get there. But first, let's have a look at those tools. For example, here is a commitment of traders dashboard tool, sort of thing that helps, you know, futures traders structure and visualize, you know, the many future markets, you know, gold, oil, grains, cattle, all sorts, you know, for futures market positioning, you know, making it much more efficient, and you can see, visualize which way round the big traders are buying and selling. Or how about an option straddle move calculator? It's a practical example here of how Python can help traders interpret expected movement and turn market data into something much more usable. So with that, we can, you know, help predict which way in terms of stock price or index ETFs are likely to move over a given period of time. And here is a sizing app. Risk and position sizing are central to trading, as we know. And Python's going to allow us to turn that into something repeatable instead of doing everything manually on the fly. And here we have a buy the dip scanner strategy tool that looks over 500 S&P stocks, futures, cryptos, FX pairs, and produces a short list based on a criteria for us. Just imagine how long that would take to do manually. So this is where traders start moving away from random chart watching and towards proper market scanning and shortlist generation. You could produce a seasonality heat map tool, a great example of how Python can help you structure information and see the market differently. And in this example, RBOB gasoline, you can see, looks a great short sell in September. Or why not a Renko strategy tool? Easy to put together. You can test your ideas, back test them, and then turn them into full production. So an obvious fit for anyone in my audience who follows my Renko work. And on top of that, there are things like equity curve analysis and Monte Carlo style outputs, which help traders go beyond ideas and start thinking more seriously about robustness and performance behavior. Or what about knowing whether a currency is strong or weak, and what currency pairs to put together? Well, we've got a currency strength index tool here where we can quite easily see which is strong and weak and what are the best currency pairs to put together. So the point is not just to learn Python, it's to start building out your own trading capabilities, whether that be scanners, tools, heat maps, strategies, back tests, you know, Monte Carlo simulations, whatever it is. You know, that's what you need to be doing if you want to get that edge in trading. Now, I've got a course, Mastering Python for Trading, will take you from, you know, complete beginner all the way through to machine learning. Fantastic value at just £99. It's going to get you up to speed and doing all the sort of things that we've seen today. And the actual code for all those tools is actually inside the Mastering Python for Trading course as well. So once you've learned the basics, you'll be able to apply those or strip them to pieces and build them into something far better. Now, if you want to go bigger still, then I've also got a Renko bot build course, which focuses particularly on that subject, but you can also buy the automation bundle, both together, and all the links to that in the description below this. So it's time to start evolving your trading, become more efficient, become more optimized, develop that trading edge. And I do believe learning a skill like Python is definitely the way forwards.